what is your first experience of dancing in front of the crowd? Okay, so here's the general process that I go through when I'm about to go on stage. The difference between the first time I did it and now, I remember that memory quite vividly. I remember like days before, I was super nervous. I really didn't want to mess up in front of the stage because it was my first performance was a competition, and you know, you want to win, and you're a rookie, you don't want to fuck up in front of, you know, the veterans, and you want to kind of prove yourself. So there's a lot of pressure on that end. First time you get on stage is probably like the moments before stage. The first time around was like honestly kind of like a blur. You're just doing whatever you can to keep your body moving and just keep your body warm and keep yourself like focused on what you got to do. And then once the minute you're on stage, the minute you hear the crowd cheering is probably the most, you know, exciting and most electrifying experience ever, because it's almost like the energy flows in through you and then through the movement of your dance. I think the important thing is being able to control that energy as it flows through you, because if you get overly excited, which happened to me on one of the competitions where I lost focus and I blanked out for a quick second on the choreography, it can be detrimental. So but now when I get right when I'm about to perform on stage, you know, I still get nervous. No matter how often you've been dancing, you're gonna get nervous no matter what. But you convert that energy from nervousness to being excited, which is, you know, just a shift in mentality, and all that comes with experience. That comes with just, you know, years and years of doing it. It's still gonna be there nonetheless. But back then, when I first did it, like you're very focused on trying to execute. Now I'm at a level of like I can actually hear myself think while I'm dancing, and I can actually have mini conversations like, okay, rest here, or kill it here, or smile here. You start thinking at a different level, and you know that the experience that you get in front of an audience is, no, it doesn't change. Like you don't have control over how the crowd's going to react, because there are going to be times where the crowd just is quiet and they're not very like interactive or, you know, as energetic as you may like. But that's where like the satisfaction of giving it your best is really going to matter. So I hope that answers your question.